and today we have a very fun video for you guys. We're gonna be doing a Skittle experiment.
Yep, and I love candy.
And for this experiment, you're gonna need Skittles, hot water, but you need help with an adult with the hot water, and a plate. Now we're gonna start the experiment. So first we're gonna open up the Skittles. Here, you can do some too. And outline the plate with the Skittles. Just put it all around.
Or you can just put it in the middle and then start
doing
that with that. Put it outside. Or maybe that would not work.
Yeah, that's not really gonna work.
This is gonna take a while. Or maybe not. This is gonna be cool. Very, very cool.
Yeah, this is actually coming out fast.
Yeah, I thought it was not gonna come up.
I think we have too much.
Yep, let's put this back in. Let's do a taste for good luck.
Hello.
Now
we're gonna pour hot water in the middle. And watch what happens.
It's turning into a rainbow. This is really cool.
Look at it. Look at this one, it's coming.
Look at the blue one.
The blue one, look at it.
It's now coming like a rainbow.
Whoa.
They're all so bright colors. And look at this one. The S came off. The S came off of this one though.
It's almost there, almost at the middle.
Oh no! And let's see what happens if all of the Skittle things came off. And let's try them.
Look, you must be messing up now, spinning it around.
Oh yeah. Like that.
Guys, we just made a Skittles Rainbow! Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new video. Bye!